Hello everyone, so I've got the May box for Your Creative Studio. It says bird on there, but, oh, I had it backwards, so, I wonder, are there going to be birds in here? This is a beautiful card to start with, and I like to take everything out and toss the box aside. That's pretty, I love the colors, I like the butterfly. Oh, look at this bird. Oh, I love his colors. It says, "The bluebird carries the sky on his back." Henry David Thoreau. Oh. And let's see if we can't just slide everything out of the tissue paper. Yeah, look at that. I didn't have to mess with the sticker. Alright, and I see washi straight away, so I'm going to have a look at that. And I'm guessing it's going to be this beautiful bird themed. If it looks like the card, I like it. Ooh, look at that. Okay, yes, I do like it. I need to find the edge here. It usually doesn't disappoint, even if the theme isn't something I'm crazy about. They do a very good job. Look at that. Can you see that? I think so. I like it. I love the vintage detail in the background, and I love the colors on there. Okay, I'm not gonna mess with that too much. Should there be stamps in here? I want to see. Well, I don't see. Oh, there we go. Uh-oh, that doesn't look so good there. Well, it's tissue paper, so hopefully it won't damage. I'm just gonna have a look at these real quick. So these are cling. What does that say? Clear stamps. Wait. I'm gonna pull this out because I can't read it like that. Clear stamp, but they're not really clear, are they? I think maybe it's supposed to say cling. I don't know. But they just go on the block, so I'm gonna go ahead and stamp these out and then put that footage in, or whichever way. Alright, here's that bird stamp set all stamped out in VersaFine Onyx Black. Look at this cutie. I think these would be fun to color, you know, with maybe, I'm thinking colored pencils because there's a lot of the detail there, but yeah, very nice detailed stamps, and they stamped out very nicely with my stamping platform. Okay, so since I've already messed with this, let's have a look at it. I just want to pull one out. So we've had lots of this tissue paper in a variety of boxes. It seems like, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong, if the last few boxes have had tissue paper in them. I know that there was tissue paper in the garden themed one, so mine got a little bit squashed, but it should be able to be fixed pretty easily. I love this bird. I wonder what kind of bird that is. Look at that beak. Anybody know? Comment in the comments. And I like that this tissue has, you know, some detail, a large image, but it also has a lot of simple, like, neutral background. So you can take this bird and use him as a focal point, like on a card, or say on a journal page. But then you still have all of this that you can use for collage and just for, you know, neutral, like, say you want to do a journal card and you want to be able to write on it, maybe just put this down and maybe just a touch of gesso to make it more writable, or some kind of sealant there, and instant background that has visual interest and beauty. So I really like that. Alright, let's see here. It's so hard to choose which thing to look at. The stickers, these guys are interesting. It's not my favorite, to be completely honest, but I'm sure that it'll be good in use for ephemera, etc. So we have some black and white stickers, and they, you know, they're clear. Let's see what else we have here. There seems like there's a lot of things. Oh, I love these. These are so cool. We've had these before. It's called Note Bar Sticker. And let me see, can you see that? I'll just pull some out. Now these are great for ephemera, etc. too, because you can just add a little bit of extra interest. And if you haven't seen, I have several videos that I did with junk mail, and I used a lot of Your Creative Studio supplies as well, so check the iCard on that, and maybe the video description as well. Now this, I have an idea that also you could use back to back It's not quite a perfect match, but you could easily make a tab with that, and maybe you just tear off the edge or trim it, but it's the perfect size to make little tabs too, which is pretty cool. So we're going to set that aside. This is intriguing me. Paper ephemera, it says. So we'll have to have a look. Love the backer cards, as always. They make great reuse items for journal cards and tags. Now this is like a little booklet of papers. So it's got adhesive on this side, and it's lightly adhered to this booklet here. Okay, I'm seeing a little mini junk journal here. What do you think? Instant cover there. All you have to do is take the papers out, and then it already has a little spine. This would be great for a gratitude journal or a thoughts journal. It's pocket size. You can take it with you. That's perfect. And I saw this. This is like my favorite paper right here already. Love the butterfly. Oh, I love that one too. But I still like the other one a little bit better. So we have a variety, love the roses, of patterns in here. This bird has something to say, or maybe he's about to eat something. Oh, that's a beautiful color combination with the flowers there. Love that rose. And there's a butterfly, another bird. So I think I might have skipped a couple. Oh, and this is some, like, just lightweight chipboard here holding it on. Pink. Ooh, I missed that one, but I really like that blue there. So I think that's all of them. Okay, and then we have some more paper ephemera here. And ooh, I like this text here. I would probably trim this off and use this as a journaling card. So a nice large square here with lots of patterns, and mostly it looks like text and maybe like cut from envelopes or something, letters. Then a nice narrow rectangle here. Ooh, look at that one. Again, there's some text, and yeah, these are great for collaging. And you know, you could just back this onto some packaging and you have a little journaling card, and you don't even have to get too detailed in it. It could be nice like that. Ooh, I like this kind of music notes there. And so then this is a wider, larger rectangle. This one looks like it's a part from, well, I don't know, music. Oh, and then we have a darker music one, a letter, etc. Those are nice. I love how neutral they are. They're vintage and really useful. And then here's a little something. This looks like a little ephemera tear out booklet. To fair, outward date, return date, signature. Like a travel receipt or something. Oh, they're all the same. Okay. But that's cool. I like it. And it's always fun to tear something off, isn't it? Postage stamp stickers, always my favorite as well. Look at that, you could stick one right there. If you covered this up and covered this up, you make a nice little piece of ephemera there for a journal. And we'll try to fan these out. I love butterflies, that's fairly obvious. Looks like, are they all butterflies? Lots of butterflies. Which I don't mind at all, because I like butterflies. Ooh, I love that colored one. And I think that it helps me to use them and not hoard them when I have lots to choose from. So that's nice, because some of the ones that just had a couple butterflies, I was like, okay, can't use the butterfly ones, but oh, look at this. So good. But I'm drawn instantly to the roses. I wonder if it has birds in there also from, are they a sticker? Indeed. This is a sticker, and it's kind of a washi-like sticker. So it's not quite translucent. It's pretty opaque, but you can kind of see a little bit through it, and it's got that washi-like feel to it. So not quite vellum. I would say it's more of a washi sticker, but ooh, look at him. Oh, those are cute. Okay, so there's about 3 of each. And then I have what? That's something. And multiple designs. Ooh, what's this one? Ooh, berries. Birds with butterflies. So lots of birds, some berries, and some beautiful rose images. Ooh, look. Butterflies! Ha! More butterflies. Great. It's good for a butterfly lover. What do we have here? Today, handwriting that action of emotion of thought. Okay, I don't know if that really makes sense altogether, but, and again, it's all the same, but cool perforations. I don't know why I like perforations. I'm just going to tear them off, one of them, because it's fun, and I don't know why. Just, there you go. These are cute, and I also I have a secret love, or maybe not so secret love, of tiny things. Look how cute that is. Okay. Alright, there, I think it's all focused. I had a little trouble. My camera's like, you're moving and you're doing weird stuff. That looks like a ginkgo leaf in that little bottle. These would be cute, I would think. You know that trend of making a specimen card? These are like little specimens in bottles. Wouldn't that be cute as an extra accent on a specimen card? You know, make a little specimen card. And I do plan on making a video with some, you know, DIY specimen cards, but I haven't got around to it yet, so hopefully that's in the near future. Make sure if you haven't subscribed that you're subscribed to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any content. This is interesting. I have no idea what it is, but I'm going to pull it all out. We've got, it looks like a pillow box. That's what that looks like to me. Oh, and some twine here. Oh, I'm not all the way in frame. So maybe this is like a sort of DIY gift set here. Okay, so come on, push down there. Well, I'm mangling it a bit, but the pillow box is such that you can close it like this, yeah. So I don't know if you would want, maybe that's what you do, both sides like this, and then maybe wrap the twine around so it doesn't open when you don't want it to, and then you easily open it. I wonder if this one's supposed to go first. I don't know. Oh, maybe. That looks a little better. Anyway, I don't know really what I'd do with that, except maybe give a gift with it. It's a little, feels a little, it's really sturdy. Yeah. Okay, setting that one aside. And what else comes with this? Okay, are these stickers? It feels like a washi sheet. But this looks like, I mean, I'm gonna say this is a sticker. I can't get it off. It's a full sheet. So, what I will probably do when using this is trim them out. And I have a little favorite pair of paper shapers here. I used to have a better one, but I lost it. But this is a fun way to cut things out. Wait, make sure I do it this way. Because, what does that look like? Make your own postage stamp. I'm just going to cut that part because I don't know what I'm doing with this yet. So, and leave that. I think that we have a mixture of paper and sticker here. I'm loving this square right here. I love that blue and then the kind of brown grays. This looks like a section of clock here. So those are paper, and then we have paper here in the larger form. Things are getting a little crazy here with, and then I think we have more stickers. Here's another piece of paper. And there's a variety, like, okay, so is this a sticker? Yep. This is a sticker, probably a washi, like, vellum sticker. And then we have more stickers. What's this? No, this, oh, this is, sorry if you hear background noises, but this is like a tag, and I don't think it's adhesive, but yeah, here I am tearing at it. I'll glue that back together. I don't think that has adhesive on it, but it's thicker. I don't know if you can tell. Yeah, and then, ooh, that's cool. These would be great for some masculine ephemera or embellishments, maybe on a card or a journal that you wanted to make a little more masculine, or for your handy ladies that love the vintage look like that. Those are cute. Now remember, these, I would definitely cut them out individually. I think that's how I would use it, but you know, to each his own. And then, oh look, we have a few actual tags, and again, these are like tag weight. So quite the variety in that last package. And this right here is sticker also, like photorealistic. Look at that vintage radio. Love this one. This is what? Is this a magnifying glass? I don't even know what that is. Let me see. Well, and then there's a kind of a vellum sticker. Ooh, that one's cool. It's a bulldog clip. And a clock and some boxes. And I have a huge mess here, but lots of fun new journal pieces and ephemera to play with. And I hope you enjoyed seeing me open the box today. As always, have a wonderful and creative day. Bye!